Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at some 2019 creative YouTuber DIY projects you have to see. Coming in at number 1, my DIY home features a Dollar Tree farmhouse decor perfect for spring 2019. With 82,000 subscribers, this DIY YouTuber has tons of creative and inexpensive ways you can decorate your home. So be sure to subscribe to her channel for more. This particular DIY shows you how to make a creative wreath you can place around your home. Coming in at number 2 is one of my favorite DIY YouTubers, Bargain Bethany. She always manages to create tons of glam home decor out of Dollar Tree items.
What's up, Bargain family? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create some really glam home decor using Dollar Tree products, mainly their candle holders, a specific one. I used a bunch of different ones, but mainly one for most of these DIYs. All of these DIYs are really easy to do because it's mainly just gluing things together. Whatever you're doing, make sure you're using a really good, nice industrial type of glue like this.
For this particular project, she uses glass candlestick holders as well as bowls to create a stunning decor piece that can be topped with candles for an amazing centerpiece for your home. If you have a coffee table, this item would make a great decor piece and can be styled in the middle of your coffee table. Coming in at number 3 is Kelly, who features tons of DIY videos as well as giving great advice for saving money when shopping. For this DIY, she uses ordinary towels and transforms them to high-end luxury-looking towels and is quick in as little time as 5 minutes. These towels are great and perfect for displaying when guests come over. Plus, it's also nice to know that when your guests arrive, they'll see creative towels that you designed yourself. Coming in at number 4 is Jay, who features some of the most amazing YouTuber DIYs we've ever seen. In this DIY, she shows you how to make wood lanterns by using Jango wood-like inspired pieces from the dollar store. She glues the pieces together to create a lantern silhouette and then adds dark wood stain to paint her lanterns. These are perfect for displaying around the house or can be used as DIY wedding decor. Sitting at number 5 is a YouTuber who loves to do rustic glam decor. With over 57,000 subs, in this DIY, she shows us how to make a crafty rustic sign for only $1. This clever sign idea is right on trend and is perfect for displaying your family's name or as a crafty slogan to be displayed around your home. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to subscribe to me for more and remember to check out all the ladies mentioned channels if you are interested in more home DIYs. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.